Every new beginning is filled with excitement, new goals, bold resolutions, powerful dreams. But here's the truth. Over 90% of people never achieve their goals. Why? Most goals fail, not because people aren't capable, but because the goals themselves aren't clear, motivating, or psychologically aligned with what truly matters. Psychologists Edwin Locke and Gary Latham, pioneers of goal-setting theory, discovered that specific and challenging goals consistently outperform vague ones like do your best. A clear goal provides direction, while a challenging goal builds motivation and effort. Together, they activate the brain's planning and reward systems, literally rewiring how we think, act, and feel. When we work toward a meaningful target, our brain releases dopamine, the chemical that signals motivation and reward. Each small victory gives us a burst of satisfaction, encouraging us to take the next step. The journey itself becomes energizing, not just the destination. This is where the power of SMART goals comes in: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to save money," say, "I'll save $100 every week for 6 months." Measurable progress transforms uncertainty into confidence. Science shows that breaking big goals into smaller milestones increases success rates dramatically. According to research from the Dominican University of California, people who wrote down and tracked specific goals were 10 times more likely to achieve them. To stay motivated, it helps to connect your goals with your personal why. Psychologists call this intrinsic motivation. When your goals align with your core values and identity, persistence rises even during tough times. For example, "I want to get fit" becomes "I want to feel stronger so I can enjoy life with my kids." One tool that turns intention into action is the if-then plan, or what researchers call implementation intentions. It's simply creating mental rules in advance, like if it's 7 a.m., then I'll start my workout, or if I feel unmotivated, then I'll reread my progress. This method trains your brain to act automatically instead of debating each decision. Another method, proven by NYU's Gabriele Oettingen, is mental contrasting, visualizing both success and obstacles. Imagine your future goal vividly, then picture the challenges that stand in your way. When we balance optimism with realism, motivation becomes stronger and more resilient. Tracking your progress regularly builds accountability, whether it's journaling, apps, or a weekly reflection. Monitoring small wins strengthens commitment and keeps motivation alive. Even setbacks are opportunities to learn. The brain strengthens new neural pathways each time we refocus and try again. That means discipline isn't about perfection. It's about consistency and adaptation. So why do most goals fail? Because they're vague, emotionally disconnected, or lack structure. But when you make your goals clear, value-driven, and scientifically designed, your brain and heart work together in perfect sync. Here's the truth. You are fully capable of achieving your dreams. It's not about luck or talent. It's about clarity, purpose, and persistence. Your goals are the roadmap, but you are the driver. Thank you for watching For a Prosperous Life. If this inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your journey to success begins today, one clear goal at a time.